Ever wanted to set up a free VPN on your PC but got scared off thinking it was going to be super complicated? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. In fact, I'm going to show you how to get it done in less than 5 minutes, using nothing but the tools already built into Windows. Let's dive right in. So, you're looking to connect a VPN on your computer. It's a great idea, right? It basically creates a private, secure tunnel for all your internet stuff, keeping you way more anonymous online. But it can sound kind of technical and intimidating. Don't worry, I promise this method is so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. No tech genius required. All right, first things first, the PC setup. We're going to start by just navigating to the right little corner of your Windows settings. It's literally just a few clicks away. Okay, before we can add our new VPN, we have to actually find where Windows keeps all the VPN settings. It's kind of tucked away, but it's a straight shot from your main settings menu. Ready? Let's do this together. First, pop open your main Settings app. You know the one. Once you're in there, look for the Network and Internet option and give that a click. Then, on the menu that shows up, you'll see VPN. That's our target. Go ahead and select it. Okay, part 2, actually adding the VPN. Now that we're on the right screen, you should see a pretty obvious option to add a new connection. Your eyes should go right to it. It's usually at the top, has a little plus sign, and it says Add a VPN connection. That's the button we need. Go on and click that Add button. You'll see a new window pop up asking for a bunch of details. Now hit the brakes for a second. We don't actually have this info yet. So for right now, just minimize this window. We're going to go on a little scavenger hunt to find what we need. So where are we getting these details from? We're going to use an amazing public project called VPNGate. It's basically a live list of free VPN servers from all around the world, run by volunteers. It's pretty cool. Our main goal here is to find something called an IP address. Just think of it as the specific street address for the server we want to connect to. It's the key piece of the puzzle. This part couldn't be easier. Just open up Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you use. Hop on Google and just type in VPNGate. The very first link that pops up is gonna be the one you want. Click it. All right, when the page loads, you're gonna see this huge, massive table full of data. It can look like a lot, I know, but don't worry about any of it. All you're looking for is a column with IP addresses. We just need to borrow one. Yep, an IP address is just a string of numbers with dots in between, just like this one. Scan down the list, pick one that looks good. I found that servers in Japan or South Korea tend to be really fast, and then just highlight the number and copy it. Okay, we've got the secret code. Now let's go back to that window we minimized earlier and plug everything in. Go ahead and pull that settings window back up. You'll see there are just a few boxes to fill out, and honestly, this is the easiest part. Here we go. For connection name, you can call it literally anything you want. My VPN, secret connection, whatever. For server name or address, that's where you're going to paste in that IP address we just copied. And now for the really tricky part, for both username and password, you're just going to type VPN, all lowercase. That's it. See? Simple. And that's pretty much all the setup work. We are in the home stretch now. All it's left is to save it and flip the switch. Once everything's filled in, just hit the Save button at the bottom. The pop-up will disappear, and you'll see your brand new VPN listed there. Right next to it, a big, beautiful Connect button. Go on, you know what to do. You should see the status change to Connecting. Just give it a second. Right now, your PC is reaching out across the globe, creating that secure encrypted tunnel to the server you picked. And boom, there it is, connected. That's it, you did it. Your internet connection is now totally private, running through that remote server. How easy was that? And there you go. In way less than 5 minutes, you've taken a huge step towards making your online life more private and secure. And hey, if your connection ever feels slow, just pop back over to the VPNGate site and grab a new server address. So, now that you know how easy this is, what's the next tech challenge you're going to tackle?